We found out from a friend, but he was very, very happy. He gave you a good report and we came to you.
Very.
Ecstatic.
Yes, we do like it very much. It's like a bowling green.
The holes you filled in, so it's all nice and level.
And the shadows, late afternoon, looks good.
Seems very, very good. The dogs like it, which we weren't happy about in case they didn't like it, but they come in and roll on it. Life's just good for them.
They're happy, they roll over, they rush out in the mornings. Yes.
Above excellent.
Yeah.
Way
Very
above.
good, very
way
happy.
above excellent.
Very, yes. Couldn't fault them. 100% yes.
101%.
Yes, we would. Thank you for your service. Very happy.
Very, very pleased with the service you provided.
Yeah.